Next, here's the Gila monster taxonomy. Some chordata characteristics are that they are tetrapods and have postanal tails. They are carnivores, eating small birds, mammals, lizards, frogs, eggs, and a lot more. They grow to be about 22 inches long. They are slow and stout. They have a Jacobson's organ, which helps them detect pheromones. They are also diatrosomes. They produce sexually and mate in April and May and lay eggs in June. Males initiate courtship by flicking their tongue. If the female is not interested, she will bite and chase him away. Eggs are laid in burrows. They have a long incubation period of 130 days. To avoid harsh weather, Gila monsters have a powerful venomous bite to get their prey. They are one of the apex consumers and are also scavengers. Next is the ghostface bat. Here's the taxonomy. Some characteristics of the chordata again is that they have a dorsal hollow nerve and pharyngeal slits. These bats are carnivores, mostly eating large-bodied moths. They have odd-shaped faces, reddish-brown fur, and are diatrosomes. They reproduce sexually. They mate in late December, while one pup is born in May and June. While courting, mates make a whistling noise to attract mates. When fully grown, embryos are about 23 millimeters, or the size of a quarter. Pregnant females roost deeper in the caves to stay warm. To survive, they use echolocation. They use this to navigate the night and find food. They are a predator, but also a pest control. Next, interactions and relationships. An example of mutualism is the Phainopilla and the desert mistletoe. The Phainopepla, a type of bird, gets fruit from the tree and disperses the seeds so more desert mistletoe grows. An example of parasitism is the desert mistletoe and mesquite tree. The mistletoe attaches to the branches of the mesquite, taking water and nutrients, weakening the mesquite tree. An example of communalism is the cactus, it's the cactus renanchola. The wren uses the cactus as shelter while the cactus isn't hurt but doesn't gain anything. Here's the food web and tropic levels. Apex consumers include coyotes, hawks, Gila monsters. Secondary consumers include scorpions, snakes, and lizards. Primary consumers include mice, rats, ants, and camels. Producers include saguaro cactuses, prickly pear cactuses, and cholla. Decomposers include beetles, vultures, and bacteria. Here is a Gila monster niche. Gila monsters live in southwestern America and Mexico. They prefer rocky terrain or terrain with plenty of vegetation. They find shelter in burrows, rocks, and crevices. They are predators and scavengers. Their favorite food is any type of egg, which helps them keep the population down of many animals. Their behavior depends on the season. During October through March, they are dormant. When spring arrives, they bask and find food. In July, when monsoon season starts, their activity explodes. Because it is so hot out, they become nocturnal instead of diurnal. This species is also interesting because we see a climate shift niche. It is predicted that if carbon emissions stay the same, in a century they will be all the way up in Washington state.